Maxi Clean Gigi here, back with Darin Heller with AMEC Mortgage to talk more about credit scores and how to get the best interest rate and the best loan program for you.
Darin, what's the best thing for buyers to do if they aren't familiar with the loan process and making sure that they can buy a house smoothly?
You know, the best thing to do is just, reach out, have a quick 5-minute conversation with me. I'll collect some information over the phone. We can run credit for free and just size up the situation, get you all the numbers, get you figure out the best program for you, figure out what you qualify for, and back it up with a guaranteed approval letter.
Nice.
So I assume you run into once in a while where people have had their identity stolen and the people have no idea that their credit's even all messed up.
Right.
So you want to get in here plenty early so you can help guide them through that process?
Correct. There are, when I look at a credit report, I can immediately identify what's bringing the score down. We have simulators, we have what ifs. I can take someone's credit report and take a look at it. If their score is a little low, see if it pays something off, pays something down, move stuff around. So I've got all those tools in the tool bag to determine what we can do to increase that credit score if it's below the threshold. Additionally, many times people come in, their credit's fine to get a mortgage. However, I can identify a couple items where maybe we can get 20 points higher on the credit score. By doing that, it could potentially improve your interest rate a bit, improve the PMI factor a bit, and get you the best terms in the marketplace.
So
Okay.
what would you need to do, or how quickly can you update your credit score? Like if you paid off a credit card, would that update within 30 days, or how long does it
Well,
take?
there's 2 different ways we can do it. We can do the natural credit reporting cycle, which is usually, they report monthly to the credit bureaus. And you can also watch your score like on a Credit Karma and kind of watch and see what your consumer score does, and then we'll know that it went up and we can pull the mortgage score. If it's a situation where we need to do it very, very much quicker because it's a sense of urgency, we do have a rapid rescore option.
Okay.
There is a cost to that, but if we have documentation to correct an error on the credit report that's reducing the score, we have the ability to do a rapid rescore, and I can get that fixed within inside of a week.
Nice.
Okay, perfect.
Great.
So again, basically, what would your recommendation be as far as a time frame if somebody's thinking about buying a house, this summer? You want to be talking to you 3, 6, 9 months ahead of time?
I would say 6 months.
Okay.
Yep. I mean, the loan approval is good for up to 120 days, and once you're approved, it's very easy to update that and extend that. But if you give yourself ample time to just, if you're thinking about buying this summer or this spring, I would be talking to, I'd like to talk to you now.
Right.
And get your situation figured out. If there's anything we need to do, if we need to establish the score, create the score, fix the credit, it's nice to do that well ahead of time so that when you're ready to go, you have the confidence in the financing and you're ready to go.
Perfect.
And buyers, keep in mind, if you've had credit problems in the past, some of that stuff lingers on your credit report. So the sooner you get in and talk to a loan officer, he can help you through that and get that stuff taken care of so you don't have any problems.
Absolutely. I'd reach out to Darin Heller with AMEC Mortgage right away if you're thinking about buying a house at all this year, and that way you can work through any issues if there are any, or you can just get pre-approved and be ready to go. And then you
5-minute
can
conversations, all it takes.
and then you can call Max and Colleen and we will show you a house and help you through the real estate process.
Exactly.
Max and Clean, Remax Results, the Max team, and Darin Heller with AMEC Mortgage. DarinHeller.com.